how to lock your Google Wallet with Fingerprint. So you're gonna have to open your phone settings app and then simply tap security. Now basically what you're gonna have to do is simply tap screen lock and then simply choose fingerprint. Now when you install for the first time Google Wallet on your device, you're gonna be asked if you want to use that as your security method. So basically it's gonna ask you depending on what did you have set up on your phone. Maybe you had the pattern, a pin, password or whatever. So you're gonna have to simply allow it, and usually you do that when you first open the app. So if you can see this option, simply uninstall the app and reinstall it after you set up the fingerprint screen lock. So I really hope you found this video helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.